In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 2021 calendar in PowerPoint. As you can see here, the 12 months calendar, I have put it down and the image is at the top, and this image can be replaced with any of the image you have in your PC, or you can download it from the net. And here you can add your company name and the logo, and if you have a tagline, you can add the tagline. And I have made one more slide with some different background. You can see here I have increased the size of the year 2021, and again you can add the company logo and name. Save this as a PDF file and you can send it to your friends or the colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe my channel PowerPoint University, and make sure to enable the bell notification icon, as well as share and like my channel PowerPoint University. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link. It is also provided in the video description section. And if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. So let's start the tutorial. I have downloaded 2021 calendar from this website called the calendarlabs.com in the Word format. You can see here, this is the Word format I have copied, and I have changed the font sizes and the colors here. And then what I did, I just simply copied. You can see here, simply I select this first 4 months, Control C to copy, then go to the PowerPoint and then right mouse click, and I have used as an image, save as or paste as image. So you can see here I have just added something like this, and then just I have hold the shift key and reduce the size. Okay, so like this I have just copied the rest of this one. So you can see here, this is first 4 months, then 2 months, like that I have copied, and I have just aligned it like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this for my calendar design. So I'm just going to select all this, press Ctrl C, take a new slide and paste it here. Okay, so depending on your requirement, either you can increase or decrease the size, but this size looks fine for me. And then I'm going to add one image here. For that, go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle. You can see here this much size. Make sure that it is aligning with the left and the right, the margins here. Shape outline, you can make it no outline. And then you can add any image from your PC or from the net. For that, right mouse click, go to Format, Shape, under Fill, you can select Picture or Texture Fill and click on Insert. You have got 3 options. Either you can do it from a file, or you can choose some online pictures, or from icons also. So I'm going to choose a file which I have downloaded from unsplash.com. So I'm just going to use that particular image. So just click on from file and select the image where you have saved it. So you can see here I have selected this image from my local PC, and then scroll it down and you've got some options, the offset, left, right, top and bottom, and make sure to untick this one, rotate with shape. And then if you want, you can see here, you can just make it left, right, bottom, if you want to increase. So depending on your requirement, you can just play that one. And then what you can do is you can add the text here, the year 2021. So I'm just going to add text box, and I'm typing 2021, and I'm going to use the font called Arial Black. Okay, and just increase the size depending on your requirement. Make the font size white, the color as white, and then I'm just going to align it properly, and then I'm just going to put it here, something like this. You can see here. Again, if you want more bigger also, you can do it. So like this, you can simply add your calendar for 2021, and then you can add your company name. If you want to send it to some friends or whatever, you can add the company logo and name. You can add just logo and name. Again, whichever font which is more visible, you can just choose it. And then if you have any tagline also, you can add the tagline here. So this is the simplest way you can add the calendars. And if you want to add the calendars by month also, that also you can do. Instead of just making all 12, you can just separate it one by one and add as each slide for each month. That also can be done.